This is lesson 70 for 4th grade. When you look at a fraction, the denominator tells you how many groups to break something into. So if I have 1/4, I break it into 4. If I have 1/2, I break it into 2. In this example, if 1/2 of the 32 cupcakes are blue, how many are blue? Since 1/2 means that we have 2 parts, then I drew a rectangle and I split it into 2 sections. When you look at that fraction and you see the 2, well, now we know there's 32 of the whole and we want half of that 32. So we take that 32 and we divide it by 2. When we divide it by 2, we come up with 16. So what we do then is we put that 16 in each one of those boxes. You could see that long division process on the right hand side there. Remember your dad, mom, sister, brother, rover, where you divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and when you don't have a bring down, that's your rover left over. Let's look at another example here. In this example, if Tim scored 1/4 of the 44 points, how many points did he score? Well, we draw a rectangle, and because our denominator of 1/4 is 4, we're going to put 4 sections in our rectangle. Then we're going to divide that 44 by 4, since 4 is that denominator, and we want 44 broken into 4 groups. When we do that, we come up with the number 11. And then 11 is put into each one of those 4 boxes. It's important to know how to draw those diagrams. They'll ask you to do it in your homework. It will also be important when we go on in different lessons and we ask things like, well, if Tim scored 3/4 of the 44 points, how many points did he score? And we can use those boxes to more easily find that answer. This is the end of the review for lesson 70.